Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. In this video tutorial, I'm going to talk about rotate instructions in C language. Generally, there is no direct syntax or instruction available for rotate, but we can make a logic using shift instructions. So I'm in this video tutorial, I'm going to make that logic. Okay, so let's start our discussion. We know that rotating, first of all, let's consider an example so that we are going to rotate left by 1 unit or by 1 bit any information. Let's say this is the information 10001 1001, right? So if I'm gonna rotate it towards left side, so what is going to happen? This most significant bit 1 from left side will go to this side. So data would become what? Data would become 0010011. Okay, so this is the output. Okay, let me correct it. Yes, so this should be the output, but eventually there is no instruction directly performing this function in C. So what is going to happen? I'm going to use a logic of shift instruction, right? So let's say this variable is stored in variable A, and I'm applying my logic on a variable A. So I'm going to shift it by 1 unit towards left. This is the syntax. What is this? Shifting it towards left. Remember, this is the same amount by which we want to rotate it. So we are shifting it towards left, and then we are going to OR this output, which 7-bit, the remaining number of bits, because we want to rotate it by 1 unit. So 1 unit we shift it towards left, and 7 units, the remaining number of bits in 8 bits, we will shift it towards right, and then the OR operation of both of these numbers would become would result in this same output. So let me test it for you. So if A is equal to, remember what was A? 100011001. So if I'm going to shift it towards left side by 1 unit, that means this one will go from the left side, and there will be a 0 padded. So what is going to happen? It will become 0 0 0 0 1 and 0 0 1 and 0. This is going to be the output of this 1 unit left shift, right? We are just shifting here. Let me write it for you. Shift by 1 left, right? So if I'm going to write the next operation, what is the next operation? This is going to be shifting right towards right side and by 7 bits, right? So A is equal to, let me write the number again, 100011001, and then it is going to be, so shifting right means these 7 bits will go to the right side or discarded, and remaining 7 bits will be padded on the left side. So that is going to be 0 bits, 0 0 0 0 0 and 1. So this is the result of shift by 7 units towards right. And if I'm going to OR them, exclusive OR, sorry, simply OR them, what is going to be result? 0 0 0 0 0 1 0 0 1 1. And if you see it, it is the same output that we were expecting by rotating left. So this is the logic of rotating left, right? Let me encircle it for you. This is the same logic for what it is used. It is used for rotating left by 1 unit. Remember, this is the unit that we have by which we have rotated this number. Okay, similarly, you can develop the logic for right as well. Let me write it for you as, so rotating right by 1 unit or by 1 bit, and that would be same. You have to shift right by 1 unit, OR it, and shift left by the remaining bits. So that should be the result which should be working for you, and I hope you can test this logic yourself as I have tested here for left. So using these 2 lines or using these 2 syntaxes, you can actually rotate your data or variable by towards left side or by towards right side by any number of amount you want to rotate it, right? So I hope you have understand this logic. If you have any confusion, please post those confusions in comment section. Thank you so much for listening.